Hello children, welcome to Fun Maths Club, Srilankan National Curriculum, Grade 10 lesson for binomial expressions. So, hope you can do review exercise by yourself, and let's move to 4.1, product of two binomial expressions. I'll straight away go to an example 1. Okay, so here I plan to do it on the whiteboard, so rather showing all the workings over here, let's move to the whiteboard. Okay, so let's expand this. So you have to multiply 2x plus 3 by 3x plus 2, or 3x plus 2 by 2x plus 3. Okay, so let's start with 1. So I'm going to multiply the whole thing by this. Let's multiply by 3x first. So 3x, write this 3x. So you're going to write this this 3x over here, and the whole thing. Okay, 2x plus 3. Now once you close the bracket, so you have written everything, so don't forget to write this plus and 2. You cannot write just 2, you have to write plus 2. Okay, I'll write plus 2. Now write whole thing. So that means you are going to multiply I'll erase these things. You are going to multiply 2x plus 3 by 2. Okay, okay, so now 3x plus 3x times 2x is equal 6x squared plus, don't forget to write this plus over here. Okay, so 3x times 3 is equal, shall I redo this? If it is not clear to you, I'll redo this. Okay, so write this here. And here. Okay, so now you are going to multiply this one by this and this. Okay, so first let's multiply 2x plus 3 by 3x. That's 3x, and don't forget to write this plus 2 over here. Okay, hope this one is clear to you all now. Okay, so now you are going to just multiply these and write the answers. Okay, 2x times 3x times 2x, or 2x times 3x is equal 6x squared plus this plus 3x times 3 is equal 9x, and here it's plus 2 times 2x, that is equal 4x. Plus times plus is plus, plus 2 times 3 is 6. Now you could see these two are x in terms of x, so you can rewrite this. Don't forget to put this equal signs. 6x squared plus 9x plus 4x is equal 13x plus 6. Yeah. So, or in other way, I'll rewrite this with another color. Okay. Three x plus 2, 2x plus 3. So now you are going to multiply this one by this. Okay. So write this one twice. Okay, now you are going to multiply this one by this 2x. So times 2x plus this plus is here times 3. Yeah. So 2x times 3x is equal 6x squared plus this plus 2x times 2 is equal 4x plus 3x times 3 is equal 9x plus 3 times 2 is equal 6. So that is equal. This is equal, not 2. Okay, just equal. We will erase and rewrite it. Equal 6x squared plus 4x plus 9x is 13x plus 6. Is that clear? So you got. So you have got the same answer here and there. Okay. So hope this one is clear. Okay. So let's come back to the page. So here, example 1, you have got the same answer. Either you multiplied by 2x plus 3 by 3x plus 2, or 3x plus 2 by 2x plus 3. So both you will get the same answer. The results that was obtained above also illustrated using the area of rectangles. So shall we go to another whiteboard and I will explain how to obtain by using the rectangle. Yeah. So let's go to the whiteboard. Okay, look at this rectangle. So here, from here to here is 3x. Okay. 3x. The latter part is 2. From here to here is 2. Okay. From here to here is 2x. From here to here is 3. It's a bit difficult to draw. Okay. So the area of this rectangle is equal what? So you have to multiply the length and width, right? The length and the width. The length is equal 3x plus 2. How? The whole length is equal 3x plus 2, right? Likewise, the width is equal to x plus 3. You have to add these two lengths. Yeah. So that is, multiplied by 2x plus 3. So, this is the area of the whole rectangle, right? So let's do one by one. So what is the area of this part? This part. This part. Only this part. From here, this area. That is equal to x times 3x, right? Plus, what is the area of this part? That is equal 3x times 3. Times 3. Plus, what is the area of this part? That is equal 2 times 2x. 2 times 2x. Plus, what is the area of this part? 2 times 3, right? This side and this side. 2 times 3. Then write it. 2x times 3x is equal 6x squared. First, this one 9x plus 4x plus 6. Next step, 6x squared plus 13x plus 6. So you have got the same answer. Yeah. So I hope this one is clear to you. Let's go back to our previous page. So would you like to try example 2, 3 and 4? Try yourself and check the answers. If you want, I can give a support on example number 2, example number 4. So example number 3 is very similar to this. So I'm going to do example number 2 on the whiteboard. Okay, let's try this. Here you have to multiply these two. Okay, so without changes you can write it twice. Okay, and write this 3x and write write the whole thing over here without changing the sign. So you have to write this minus. Don't forget to write the minus over there. Okay, so minus 2. Now you can do it. Just multiply and add these things. It's very easy. So 3 times 2x. So 3x times 2x is 6x squared plus 15x. You have to multiply here, be careful, you have to multiply with the sign. Minus 2 times 2x is minus 4x. Here minus 2 times plus 5 is minus 10 is equal to 6x squared. 15x minus 4x is equal plus 11x minus 10. This is your answer. Let's check your example. Yeah, 6 x squared plus 11x minus 10. So shall we try example number 4? Okay, this is one of the special case. So I will give you a shortcut. I will teach you a shortcut. When you look at this kind of question, when you multiply two similar things, yeah, but if you have plus and minus over here, what you can do is you can write like this: squared of this, squared of this. In between you can write just minus like this. Squared of 3x is 9x squared. Squared of 2y is equal 4y squared. Okay, so I'll keep the same thing as it is, but I'm gonna do this in a normal way, and you can check the answer. You would get the same answer like this. Okay, but you have to show your workings. But in case if you want to double check it, you can use this method to double check it. Okay, so just write this. Twice. Okay, then multiply the whole thing by 3x. Don't forget about the sign and 2y. Okay, now just multiply it. 9x squared. 3x times 2y is equal 6xy plus this one also 6xy, but plus here, plus and minus, plus times minus is equal minus 2y times 2y is equal 4y squared. These two cancel out. Now your answer is 9x squared minus 4y squared. That's what I said. You have got the same answer, isn't it? Okay, so this is one of the shortcut. So let's go and check your answer with an example. Yeah, you have got 9x squared minus 4y squared. But look at this. Okay, let's do this one, these two. Let's try example 5 first. Okay, let's do this question. So write this thing twice. It's 3b, not 36. So you are going to multiply by this. 5a is not 59. 5a. Without changing the sign, write it over here. Minus 2b. Okay. So 5 times 2 is 10. A times a is a squared. Minus 5 times 3 is 15. A times b is ab. I'll write it over here. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus time plus is minus here. B times a is a. B. Minus time plus is equal. Minus 2 times 3 is 6. B times b is b squared. Okay, now rewrite this. 10a squared minus 15a minus 15ab minus 4ab. That means 19ab minus 6b squared. This is the answer. Let's check. Yep, correct. Now let's move to example number 6. Okay, so write this one twice. 1/3 a minus 1/4 b. 1/3 a minus 1/4 b. So multiply by a. Without changing the sign, write it by b. So 1/3 a times a is a squared minus 1/4 a times b is ab plus 1/3 ab plus 1/4 b times b is b squared. So since we don't have any number here, so that means 1 times 1/3 is 1/3. 1 times 1/4 is 1/4. Since I don't have anything, I can put 1 here. 1 times b is 1b or just b. 1 times 1/3 is 1/3 and b times a is ab. That's what I have got this. Then there's no a squared. Just write 1/3 a squared. And here it's minus ab minus 1/4 ab and plus 1/3 ab. So you have to find the common factor for these two, that you can multiply it by 2. If you multiply by 3, so when you multiply by 3 to the bottom number, you have to multiply by 3 to the top number. If you multiply by 4, to do the same thing for the top number, so you would get 12 minus 3 over 12 ab plus 4 over 12 ab plus 1/4 b squared. So here when you look at these two denominators are same, so you can straight away add these two fractions. Yeah, and 1/3 a squared minus and plus, so it's plus 1/12 a b plus 1/4 b squared. So hope this one is clear to you all. Let's go back to the question and see. Yeah, so the same answer you have got it, isn't it? So you may try exercise 4.1. So if you have any doubt, you can comment it, you can try it. So next class we can learn about squares of binomial expressions. Yeah, this one also easy. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead. Don't forget to try this exercise 4.1. Thank you.